Hello everyone. Welcome to this guide on how to apply to Humboldt University of Berlin, one of Germany's most prestigious universities. If you are planning to study in Germany, this video will help you understand the full application process, required documents, and some important tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, you need to choose your program. Visit the official website of Humboldt University of Berlin and explore the available bachelor's and master's programs. Make sure to check the language of instruction. Some programs are in German, while others are in English. Second, check the admission requirements. Each program has specific requirements. Generally, you will need academic certificates, transcripts, proof of language proficiency such as IELTS or TOEFL for English programs, or Test DAF for German programs. Third, prepare your documents. The most common documents include your academic certificates, a valid passport, CV, motivation letter, and language certificates. Some programs may also require recommendation letters. Fourth, apply through Uni-Assist or directly. Many international students apply through Uni-Assist. This platform evaluates your academic qualifications before sending them to the university. Make sure to submit your application before the deadline. Fifth, pay the application fee. If you are applying through Uni-Assist, you will need to pay a processing fee. Keep the payment receipt as proof. Sixth, wait for the admission decision. After submitting your application, the university will review your documents. If you are selected, you will receive an admission letter. Seventh, apply for a student visa. Once you receive your admission letter, apply for a German student visa from your nearest German embassy. Prepare financial proof, such as a blocked account, to show you can support yourself. Now, let's talk about some important tips and tricks. Tip number 1, apply early. Do not wait until the last date. Early applications reduce stress and increase your chances of success. Tip number 2, double-check your documents. Make sure all documents are complete and correctly translated if required. Tip number 3, learn basic German. Even if your course is in English, knowing basic German will help you in daily life in Berlin. Tip number 4, write a strong motivation letter. Explain clearly why you want to study at Humboldt University and how it fits your career goals. Tip number 5, follow official instructions carefully. Always rely on the official university website for updated information. In conclusion, applying to Humboldt University of Berlin is a step-by-step process that requires careful preparation. If you follow these steps and stay organized, your dream of studying in Germany can become a reality. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.